What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the extreme rain hide and seek challenge. As you can see, it's raining pretty bad. And we're starting! So, alright, I'm going to set up the camera so you can see us playing tag extreme. Boom. I don't know how much it's gonna do, but alright, it's your turn to hold since I'm in. 3, 2, 1, go. That's not recording. Record yourself. Oh, got him. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah, I almost dropped the camera. There it is. Right there in the back. Come on. It's starting to pick up. Basically, we have a 5-minute mark. Whoever's it at the end loses the challenge for the day. There he is coming up. Oh my god, it's so wet right now. Oh god. Come on. He's right there. Can't see him in the back. There he is. We're currently 2 minutes into the challenge.
I'm not gonna get you on here.
I know. Okay, then you have to give me 10 seconds. That's alright. 5, 1, 2, 3.
Not on air.
Go another one.
No, not on there.
Alright, fine. I can't go down the slide super wide. Alright, I'm going down here. Okay. On this thing, there he is. I get a 5-second head start.
Yeah, go.
Okay, I'll count. I'll give you thumbs up on 2, 3, 4, 5. Run. Oh shit. Shoot. He's right there. Weave. And weave. And weave. And weave. Oh, dang it. Oh. Here. My face. It's raining pretty bad. Why is there just an unopened can of Diet Coke? Look at this. Can I drink it?
No.
Can I throw it?
Do what you want.
I'll try to drink it. Or what if it's poison?
No, I don't know.
Alright, move.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh! Luke! What did you do?
I know.
I'm not gonna touch it. Alright. 3. Oh shoot, what if that is like person? 3, 2, 1. I'm giving you a countdown. 3,
Oh.
2, 1.
You know, I can't fucking run. I can't run.
What are you recording right now?
You?
Oh, sick. I didn't know you could flip it mid recording. Okay. There he is.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's pouring. The camera's soaked. Oh, that was okay. Oh, there's only now 40 seconds in the challenge. I want to win for the day. I want to win. That's the game from the over. Oh my god, there's baseballs. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, jump over this. Okay. I won! And 1 second. Alright. That was the end of the video. I'm the winner for the day. It's pouring.
Bye.
Alright. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you would like to see us do next. And do you like to talk to what type of animal you like? Alright. This concludes the video. Remember, we're gonna start with a quote. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. End with a quote. And remember, we are all equal.